I mean, the highlight is life. So guys, it's around 4:23 according to my camera. I want to see how long it takes to do this full face beat for the first time in my life. I'm coming to you with a fresh face. I've already done my skincare routine and I've also done my brows. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this concealer, just dab, and I just dab that so that we can have somewhere our eyeshadow can stick onto. I'll go in with a little bit of powder, and then I'm just doing this so that the eyeshadow doesn't like crease, like it doesn't get lines. Yeah, so now I'm going in with the Jaclynhill X Morphe palette, but I'll tell you what, this is a fake. The color pigments, it doesn't pick up well, like it just, I mean, it's a fake. What else do you expect? No, let's go in with this shade. Sorry, am I tapping the correct one? Let's go in with this shade. Is it picking up well, that color? Oh, we look ridiculous. And then let me put this down first. I give you a little story. I bought this 24 brush set from a very well-known shop on Instagram for cosmetics, but I'll just tell you, these brush sets, the little bristles, they keep coming out. Look at that. It was a complete and total waste of my money. So we're done. I think I've done good basing on top. So what I'll do is I'll just go in and use this brush to blend so that we don't have any harsh lines. I think I'll go in for, I'm going for a simple eye look. I'll go in for this shimmery one. I'll use this flat brush to pick up that. Maybe we need to, like, for it to pick up the shimmer well, one trick I've seen makeup artists use, they take a setting spray and then they spritz the brush. No, it's just taking a minute to load. That definitely helped. That is a trick right there, using your setting spray to pick up like this glitter eyeshadows. We're looking good. I want to go in for this black color, this or I can mix, and just like go on the outer part of my eye. But then I'm just swinging this look. I really have no perfect idea what I'm doing. A little dramatic. Okay guys, I know I look bizarre, but let's just hope everything in the end ties in, because actually I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, let's take that blending brush and blend. I've given you permission. Rate how that eye looks. We'll pick up the rest of the face. So I'm going in with the primer. It's a little tinted. I'll just do this with my fingers and spread. My fingers are clean. We'll go in with foundation. I'm using the Lancome Idole Ultra Wear. Yeah, I'm in the shade Cookie, and I'll use this blending black. I'll use this blender to apply. So let me give you a little story about this foundation. It's not a full coverage foundation. still allows some of your imperfection to peek through, like you see. Like here, I normally have a black mark, but I like it. It's a buildable foundation, and it gives you a skin finish, and I just know it's good quality. How am I looking? You see, as I was telling you, maybe we can go there with a little bit more. Okay, so I believe we're good with the foundation, or I'm good with it. I want to do concealing, which is the next part. There's a makeup artist who was saying when you apply your eye concealer and you take it up, like it gives you an instant facelift. So we are going to be testing that. Though, let me tell you something, I really feel like I chose the wrong shade of concealer. I feel like I should have gone way lighter than this. But we've already applied, we don't have an option. Yeah, so let's blend. Wow, let's blend that. Let me tell you, I'm looking in the mirror, and I'm not seeing much. Like nafanya tu vitu, but I'm not seeing much. Gonna go in and apply our, what's this called, Sacha buttercup setting powder to set all that. So let's just go ahead and set. Hey, you guys, tell me how you pick up this powder, because me, I'm struggling. I'm hoping that will really brighten my under eye. Let's see. Yeah. This little sponge is really something else. Oh, it's powder everywhere. So back with that. I'll take this powder, it's a finishing powder, and I'll just like go over the rest of my face where I have not applied the guy, I don't even know the names of these things. The sacha. So let's go in there. So with that, with our under eye and everything else baking, we're going to do our eyelashes. The word is attempt to do our eyelashes and attempt to do a winged eyeliner. Fingers crossed. So this I bought in Dubois. It was only $100. We're going to do one eye at a time. History ati najifanya najua ati I apply the glue on both eyelashes and then I wait for them to dry and then one eyelash at a time. Like you backfire, you forgive me. I have a tweezer, but I don't think I want to attempt poking my eye. Mindy, what are you guy people? How do people put this on when my eye is shaking? Fail. Let's try this one more time. Can you see that? There's a space in between. So that eye was easy. Wow. That eye was easy. Second time is a charm. Oh, I was supposed to go in with an eyeliner, but I'm thinking twice. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to put on our mascara. You see? You see that? It's just crazy imperfection. But our eyeshadow looks good. I believe we've baked enough cakes under my eyes, so let's just remove that powder. So after that, the next thing, my face looks like a ghost, so what I want to do is I want to bring in color back to my face. So I want to bronze my face. This is the Maybelline one. There we go. So wow. think I'm going to go with this shade because I feel it's dark, and then I'm going to highlight with this shade, trying to see whether there will be any color brought back to my face. Okay, you know what, enough. If I've picked all that and nothing is showing, enough. Can we say this has backfired? So our contouring, bronzing has failed. Our bronzing has failed, but a luta continua. The next thing we're going to do is this. This is a blush. I'll just show you how it looks like that. That's how it looks. So guys, I just, after my frustration on the bronzer, I decided I need a banana break, because you can get hungry doing this. So now we're applying blush. So I should yeah, and blush it up. I hope you can see the color, because I can see it in the mirror. By the way, let me tell you something. I have suffered throughout this tutorial just to get to the moment where I get to use this brush. As in, I have dreamt of days I am ever going to use this brush, and oh, we are going to highlight. Ooh, 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 guys, can you see that? Look at that, look at that, look at that glow, look at the difference. See that? Look at that. Huh? I'm also going to highlight some other points of my face, like here. I'm also going to highlight here. I'm going to highlight here, and I'm also going to highlight here. I'm going to highlight everywhere. And we're going to pick this flat brush. We want to get the same shades we used, these ones, on the under part. Anyways, I feel the need to define my cheeks a little bit more. I just want to define. As we let that sit there, we'll do our mascara for the bottom lashes. So yeah, we've done our mascara. I'll just go back with another brush. By the end of this tutorial, I'll be done with the 24 brushes, and just clean that up. Just go over where there are no harsh lines. On the best part, we're going to do our setting spray. Ooh, I've overdone that. We're going to go in and finally do our lips. Yeah, smells so good, guys. It looks funny on camera. So I was coming to show you guys my finished look, but I just feel there's a tiny little bit that isn't perfect, and that's my lips. They look, I don't know, blank. So I want to fill them up kidogo with another color, still Revlon, like that. Yeah. How does that look? That looks better. I feel pouty. With that done, I'm done. Makeup, everything. I want to show you and give you guys a close-up of how everything looks like. Guys, we started this tutorial at 4:23, and right now it's 6:59, which is like 7 p.m. This is the close-up. I mean, the highlight is life. I have to say that's the happiest part of everything. It's the highlights. And then I really like how I did my eyes. That shade, that color, that looks so nice. I also like my lips. Yeah. my brows. I think I'm happy with my brows. The Sacha, oh, the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. My lashes, I could have done a better job. I wish you could see there's still that separation, you know. I could have done a better job. The bronzer, it wasn't what I thought it was. Yeah, I would just like to ask you to subscribe, to give this video a thumbs up, you know, to motivate me to do more videos. With that said, thank you for watching and bye.